What's going on, everyone? I know it's been a while since I've been in here with the group building stuff. We're on the way to Tony's. We're gonna stop and grab something to eat real quick, and then we're gonna head over to Ryan's.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Built for Performance episode. That was Tony. He just got a new bike, but we'll show that in another video. But anyways, welcome back to another video. Today we actually got everybody here. We got Brandon. He's under he's right there. he's underneath the truck, which today we are putting a turbo pack straight pipe on his truck, and you guys are gonna take the ride with us. So right now he's breaking all the bolts loose, or nuts. Yeah, I think there's a new piping that we are gonna have to do. So he just got the bolts apart for the nuts. I don't know if they're called nuts. I'm sounding really uneducated. The nuts off the exhaust from the cat. So I guess now, what are we doing now?
Trying to get this back half off. I gotta get the bushings off. Rotate it.
This is what happens when you get two buffoons
counterclockwise.
changing exhaust.
Counterclock. So it's towards me.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
God, it's like nails on a chalkboard.
Alright, can you move it?
No.
You're on the drive shaft.
Dang it.
So we got the exhaust off from the downpipe back off. So now he's gonna cut the downpipe for the new exhaust.
There's not a whole lot of 5-inch exhaust install videos out there, so for those of you that are doing it, if you have the spare tire off, you don't need to jack the truck up. You take the two 15mm nuts off the studs right here at the downpipe, and you can wiggle the whole back half of the exhaust out, which is nice. And the only thing that's left is to cut a piece of the downpipe off so you can unbolt it from the turbo and drop it right out and be good to go. So let's get on it.
You don't have to jack the truck up if you have a 350. What do you mean? 250s and two-wheel drive trucks sit lower.
Oh yeah, and if you have a lift kit. So I have a lift kit. Yeah.
So in other words, if you don't have any of that, you gotta jack the truck up
and bigger
way.
tires. I didn't think that's all I threw at. Right? If you got a lift and bigger tires, you can get it out. You might have to jack the truck up otherwise.
So he was saying, take these two bolts off from the downpipe, right here. There's one here and one over there. And once you get those off, then you pretty much wiggle the whole exhaust off, all the way back, and that'll all come out. And then all he's got to do is cut a piece of this downpipe off for the new exhaust.
That thing must be loose.
I need to do like fucking karate underneath this thing.
There's so much room for activities. That's round my brain out. Brother. It's stuck, that's why.
So as of now, we cut about 2.5, 3 foot back on the flange, from the flange. Right where like the downpipe goes up to the turbo. It's like right where that is. Where it turns. Turns. I'm not sure if that's where you gotta cut it, but that's where he cut it for now, and we'll let you know if that was right. So now he's are you unbolting it from the turbo?
Yeah.
Now he's unbolting the downpipe. I can't speak, you know. Now he's unbolting the downpipe, which is right there.
Hey Tony, shake the downpipe a little bit.
Off the turbo.
Alright, hold up.
Yeah,
Got flex on it.
Mad chips.
actually, you do got some. Down.
It was originally a 3-inch.
So this is Tony's bike that he just
Yes, it is
picked
kind
up.
of loud. That loud all
It's
the
a
time.
DRZ 400.
It's only a 2001.
2001 DRZ 400. Just got it. There'll be some stuff that we do to this too, hopefully, maybe. I don't know. I think. So now they're trying to put the new pipe up through the back to the turbo, which is right there. So close. You guys,
So close.
I got it.
so they
Push
got-
up. Or push forward. Right.
Ow! That was my pinky.
Right there. Hold that.
They got the first part of the downpipe up to the turbo. It's a little difficult. You need a little of Brandon's muscle and his elbow grease that apparently he now has to refill. And then you can get it up. So he's bolting that on, then they'll start putting, or we'll start, someone will start putting on the rest of the exhaust. So there's from downpipe, and it comes through just like the old exhaust, all the way down to the back there, to over top the axle, and then dumps right behind the tire. So
We did have to modify this bracket or hanger. We just had to torch it and bend it over a little bit for it to fit properly.
Focus. Yeah, so we had to heat this hanger up with pliers and a hammer, bend it over so we get to this hanger. So now he's gonna start it up and we're gonna see what it sounds like. That was the F350 exhaust straight pipe install. But he's gonna let the exhaust go through a heat cycle. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you got any suggestions of more videos, anything you just want to comment down below. Go subscribe, hit that notification bell. But go follow our Instagram and Twitter accounts. They'll be in the description down below. And we'll see you in the next one. This man. Wait for it.
Nobody likes you.
Back from the phone. Right. So
I don't think they heard you.